Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print a Google Calendar. So if you want to print your calendar on Google, here I've already opened the calendar.google.com. You can just easily click open the Google Calendar and then click on the settings at the top, settings menu, and there will be this print option. So click on print, and here is the print preview. Here you can adjust the print range. If you want to change it, just click on the date in here and change it to your liking. For example, I'm going to go with this month, so 1st June until the end of June, like this for example. And here you can also adjust the view days, week, or auto. So I'm going to go to auto because I want to print the whole month like this. You can adjust the font size, the orientation, and also the color and style. After you are done, you can just click on print, then select your printer device. So you can just download it first. Also, it will come out as PDF and you can just print it to your printer device. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.